I've just walked past Cine Carlo, one of Madrid's iconic movie theaters located in the heart of the city at Gran Via 2. I went into Primark to buy a top for myself but couldn't find anything nice. I ended up getting a dress instead. The Primark is huge, but it's got nothing on the flagship store in London. Just outside Primark is CR7's hotel. If you are a lover of Cristiano Ronaldo, add his hotel to your list of places to stay in Madrid. Still in Madrid and done a lot of sightseeing today, but I am craving food now. I was starving by now. I needed a different kind of food. No more tapas for me. I just wanted to fill up my plate. I beg. I found this all you can eat place. I am not usually a buffet restaurant fan, but boy, did this make sense. For 12 euros, way cheaper than every meal I've eaten so far in Spain, I filled up my plate. I went for seconds, I went for thirds, I had dessert, I had salad, I had fruits, I had ice cream. I went full on glutton mode. Full on glutton. Anyway, I went walking to make myself feel like a good girl. Not sure how much calories I intended to lose. I went through Seoul. I hung around and took pictures. Then I walked all the way back to my apartment. It was a lovely day. I've had so much fun in Spain. It is time to go back home now. I'm leaving this town tomorrow. It was amazing, and I shall come back again for more sightseeing because there's so many things that I couldn't see. Well, a few things that I couldn't see. I wanted to go to Real Madrid Football Club. I wanted to go to one of those bullfighting places. I couldn't do the Prado Museum. What else did I want to see that I couldn't do? Just a couple of things that I needed to do. I didn't get to go fully into the palace. What else did I not do? Just a few things that I need to come back for. But trust me, Madrid is fun. If you want to go, just go. Do not go to Spain without visiting Madrid. It's full of history and you love it. Take care and see you. I'm going into my room now, my apartment for the last time.